Hello CIS scholars, welcome back. Today we are going to do textbook page number 81. So let's start. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is patterns. Do you know what is a pattern? A pattern is the repeated or a regular way in which something happens or it's done. Pattern can be done of lines or shape, especially a design in which the shape is repeated at regular intervals. I'll explain you with some examples. So let's see. The first one, it's a triangle, a circle, square. Again now I'm getting triangle, circle, then square. Now what would be? Triangle, circle, square, right? If you see carefully, first was triangle, then circle, then square. Then it's a triangle, circle, square. It's a repeater, right? Triangle, circle, square. Now let's see the second one. Triangle, triangle, triangle. But if you see, the color are different. Can you see the color difference? This is a purple, pink, green. Again purple, pink, green, purple, pink, and now it will be green. Let's see the third one. A. Alphabetic. A, B, C. Again I'm getting A, B, C. A, B. Now it will be C, right? Now let's see the next one. Fourth one. 1, 2, 3. Now which number will be? Right? 1, 2, 3. After that, again 1, again 2, and the last will be 3. Correct? Now let's move to the next slide. Look at the slide. Repeating patterns. Observe the pattern below carefully. Which shape will be next? Let's see the shape first. Triangle, circle. Then it is square. Triangle, circle, square. Now which shape it will be? Triangle, circle. Which shape? Can you tell me which shape I have to draw here? Is it a triangle, a circle, or a square? Which will come over here? Yes, that's a correct. It is a square. Right? Now, let us see the slide. Repeating patterns. Observe the pattern below carefully. At which position, that is number, will you find the next triangle? Okay, so let's start. Triangle, circle, square, triangle, circle, then square, triangle, circle, square. Now, can you tell me which will be there? Okay, if you look here at the first number, it's 1. That is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So, what will be the shape in the 10th position? That is, which shape will be there? Triangle. So, at the 10th place, it's a triangle. Now let's see the next one. What will be the shape in the 20th place? Now let's check. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. If you look carefully, the shapes are repeated. Triangle, circle, shape. This is the shape of a square. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle, circle, square. Triangle. Now let's check. Okay, if you see, the numbers are written down, right? So at the 20th place, what will be the shape? Can you tell me? Yes, that's a circle. So at the 20th place, it is a circle. Right, students? Now, let's move to the next slide. Repeating patterns. Observe the patterns below carefully. Now, patterns. If you look here, it's the shape of a triangle. It's a red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Right? It's a pattern. If you look here carefully, here it's red, then green, then blue. So after blue, it was again red, green, blue. So we have to follow the pattern. Okay. Now, pattern as alphabet. We can do pattern in alphabet also. So A, B, C. After that, again A, B, C. After that, again A, B, C. We are repeating the alphabets. Now let's move to the pattern as numbers. 1, 2, 3. After 3, I am going to repeat the same numbers, that is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? Now, let's move to the next slide. Now, let's look at the slide. What will be the color of 10th triangle? So, let's start. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. Now, which color triangle will be there? Can you tell me? Yes, that's the correct answer. Red color triangle will be there at the 10th place. That's correct. Okay, now let's see the next one. What will be the color of 15th circle? Now, look at the circle and look at the color. Okay, now can you tell me which color will be here? This is light purple color. So after that, which color will be there? Yes, that's a correct answer. At the 15th position, the color of the circle will be yellow. Yes, that's a perfect answer. Now let's move to the next slide. If you look at the slide, it is find out if the shape pattern below is the same as the patterns in the letters. Yes or no? Let's find out. Here it is A and then B, B. It's a repeated, right? A, B, B. A, B, B. Now let us look at the shape. Can you see? It is repeated. First is a circle, then triangle, then triangle. Circle, triangle, triangle. Circle, triangle, triangle. Both patterns are same. Yes. So the answer is yes. Now let's look at the slide. Observe the pattern carefully. Can you see a triangle? Yes. Now, how will you write it in numbers? If you look the first one, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, and it's a repeated. So again we will write 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the last one, 4 times we have to do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last will be 1, 2. So students, today we have learned about the patterns. Patterns means repeated. It can be in shape, alphabet, numbers. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.